If your legs feel weaker than they used to, don't skip this. Most seniors stop too early, and that's exactly why results disappear. Hello, my dear seniors. Welcome to Senior Over 60 Fitness. Today is day 36 of our 200-day leg strength journey. Exercise 1. Chair. Sit to stand. Sit near the front of a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, chest tall, hands resting lightly on your thighs or the chair for support. Slowly sit down, then gently stand up. Move with control, breathe naturally, and stay relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are warming the legs. Most people stop here, but staying builds daily strength. 5, 6. This is where progress happens, even if it feels slow. 7, 8, 9. Skipping now is why results do not last. 10. Breathe calmly. You are doing well. 11. 12. Many seniors quit here, but you are still moving. 13. 14. This effort supports independence. 15. Halfway. Pause briefly if needed. What feels hardest right now? Balance, strength, or breathing? 16. 17. Notice how your body is learning. 18. 19. This is where quiet improvement happens. 20. You stayed longer than most people. 21. 22. Go slow. Control matters more than speed. 23. 24. Your legs thank you for not stopping. 25. Almost there. Confidence is building. 26. 27. Stay tall. Breathe gently. 28. 29. This is why tomorrow feels easier. 30. Excellent. Sit down slowly and rest. Completing all repetitions strengthens daily movement patterns, improves confidence when standing, and reminds your body that it is still capable. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions. Sit tall on the chair with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Place both feet flat on the floor before starting. Breathe in gently as the leg lifts. Breathe out as it lowers. Move slowly. Control matters more than speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. This gentle motion improves circulation. Most people stop here and miss that benefit. 5, 6. This is where progress happens, even when it feels small. 7, 8, 9. Skipping now simply means less comfort later, not danger. 10. Stay relaxed, breathing steady and calm. 11. 12. Many seniors pause here, but staying helps the knees feel easier. 13. 14. Your posture is protecting your spine. 15. Halfway through, rest briefly if needed. What feels hardest right now? Lifting the leg, holding posture, or staying patient? 16. 17. Notice the warmth returning to your legs. 18. 19. This is where quiet strength develops. 20. You stayed longer than most people do. 21. 22. Go slower if tired. Watching still helps your body learn. 23. 24. Consistency brings comfort, not rushing. 25. Almost there. Calm focus matters. 26. 27. Shoulders relaxed, jaw soft. 28. 29. Finishing this supports easier walking tomorrow. 30. Gently lower the leg and breathe. This exercise supports knee movement, circulation, and daily comfort. If you ever feel tired, slowing down or watching keeps you connected and prevents missed benefits. Exercise 3. Standing march with chair support. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and eyes forward. Lift one knee at a time, breathing naturally and moving slowly. This movement builds balance and walking confidence every day. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance begins here. Most people stop early and miss this benefit. 5, 6. This is where progress happens, even if the lift feels small. 7, 8, 9. Skipping now only delays steadier walking later. 10. Stay tall. Breathe calmly and evenly. 11. 12. Many seniors pause here, but staying improves confidence. 13. 14. Your body is learning stability. 15. Halfway, rest briefly if needed. How many repetitions do you usually stop at when exercising? 16. 17. Notice your balance improving quietly. 18. 19. This is where trust in your legs grows. 20. You stayed longer than most people today. 21. 22. Move slowly. Control keeps you safe and comfortable. 23. 24. If tired, watching still helps your brain learn. Please remember to share this video with a senior friend who needs balance support. 25. Almost there. Confidence builds near the end. 26. 27. Breathe gently. Stay relaxed. 28. 29. Finishing helps walking feel steadier tomorrow. 30. Well done. Hold the chair and rest. This exercise supports balance, reduces hesitation while walking, and builds daily confidence. Staying until the final repetition trains both body and mind to trust movement again. Exercise 4. Heel raises using chair. Stand behind the chair and hold the backrest gently for support. Place feet hip-width apart with heels flat on the floor. Slowly lift both heels, then lower with control. Move smoothly, breathing calmly throughout. 1. 2. 3. 3, 4. Most people rush here, but slow control builds real strength. 5, 6. This final exercise is why legs feel lighter tomorrow. 7, 8, 9. Skipping this means missing easy walking comfort. 10. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, breathing steady. 11. 12. Many seniors stop early, but this is where progress happens. 13. 14. Your ankles are getting steadier. 15. Halfway through, pause briefly if needed. 16. 17. Notice warmth building in the lower legs. 18. 19. This movement supports balance every day. 20. You stayed longer than most people do. 21. 22. Go slower if tired. Watching still helps learning. 23. 24. Staying now brings lighter steps tomorrow. 25. Almost finished. Confidence is growing. 26. 27. Breathe gently, stay relaxed. 28. 29. This effort supports steadier movement. 30. Excellent. Lower heels slowly and rest. Take a moment and notice how your legs feel right now. Do they feel warm, steady, or relaxed? Please comment below and tell me honestly how this exercise felt today. Writing your experience helps other seniors feel encouraged and reminds you of your progress. If you completed today's exercises with me, comment "Done, day 36." Tell me how your legs feel right now, and please share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so you can grow stronger together. I'll see you tomorrow.